What's the best way to make money online without showing my face?
It would be to start an e-commerce business, because e-commerce business allows you to sell products without showing your face.
How do I get started? I don't know how to build websites.
You can just go on YouTube and search for like Shopify tutorials. You can build your store, and then you'll have to buy traffic, because now you'll have to buy some ads. So I would recommend buying ads on Facebook to drive traffic and visitors to your website.
What products can I sell that will actually make me money?
I would recommend selling products that are at least $50, because then you have enough margin to get a customer and still make a profit.
What are some examples of products that you've sold that have made you a lot of money?
We sold hearing aids, we sold weight loss scales, we sold different gadgets for weight loss. These are some of the products that we have sold.
Where did you buy these products?
You can find these products on AliExpress. You can order the product there and it will be delivered directly to your customer. Also, if you want to buy in bulk, you can use websites like Alibaba, where you source these products. But for that, you have to have a minimum order quantity, which is called MOQ. But if you're just starting out, AliExpress would work just fine.